(2016) BMW 430d M Sport. We have 4 superb 19-inch alloy wheels in gloss black. We have LED headlights, black kidney grills. We also have an M Sport styling kit, which includes front splitter, side skirt extensions and rear boot spoiler. Let's look at another alloy wheel. The M Sport brake calipers in there as well. We have privacy glass on the rear, black window trim, shark fin antenna and performance decals on the side. Let's look at another alloy wheel. We have dual exhaust flush the rear bumper and rear diffuser, front and rear parking sensors, and there's a look at that boot spoiler. Let's look at another alloy wheel. This vehicle is free from any major mark dents or scratches and does look superb from every angle. If we go inside the car, we have full Dakota leather seats, which are very comfortable with extended thigh support. We also have electric windows, integrated Harman Kardon speakers. We jump inside the car. We have auto lights, foot on the brake, we have keyless start, we also have multifunction steering wheel, we have paddle shift if we wish to take the car into manual mode. This vehicle has done just over 59,200 miles and is free from any warning lights on the dash. We also have auto wipers. If we go over here, we have satellite navigation, so as phone connectivity, media connectivity, DAB radio. Pop it into reverse. There's the front and rear parking sensors, if you can see it. We have different drive modes. We have Eco Pro, Comfort, Sport, and Sport Plus. We also have dual zone climate control, which works just as you would expect it to, with 2 heated front seats, so cold days like today do really make all the difference. We have 2 nice sized cup holders with 12-volt connectivity, turn traction control off, drive mode select, parking sensors on and off. This is what you use to control everything that happens on the screen. Soft touch leather armrest with storage underneath, and there's a look at the passengers. Half full leather seats with extended thigh support. This vehicle is available today, quoted today, with free contactless nationwide next day delivery. It's HPI clear, comes with fresh service and new MOT. We do offer competitively financed. Thank you very much for watching. Video test drive 2016 BMW 430d M Sport. The purpose of this video is to show that the vehicle drives as it should, and as you can see, I'm up to fight with the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line. We do have cruise control and speed limiter, which is on the steering wheel. To activate, just press the bottom button, then use the toggles. Just push up and it will go to the nearest miles an hour. Push up quite hard, it will go to the nearest 5. Push up very slightly, it will go to the nearest 1. To cancel, just tap the brake or press this button twice. We do also have paddle shift if you wish to take the car into manual mode. So we'll take over in 4th, 3rd, take a left at the roundabout, as you would if you were driving this vehicle today. Into 4th, into 5th, then I'll let the car take back over. To go into manual mode as well, you can push the gear stick to the left. You can do it that way. Pull down to go up in the gears, push away from you to drop down into gears. To cancel, pop back to the right and the car will take back over for you. We have different driving modes where we have Eco Pro, we also have Comfort, Sport and Sport Plus as well. For cold winter days, we do have heated seats, which make all the difference. We also have DAB radio, as well as satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, as well as phone connectivity. We also have front and rear parking sensors, and everything works just as you would expect it to. Here at RS Car Sales, we've been doing deliveries the past 3-4 years now. And with the COVID-19 situation, many businesses have struggled. Us, on the other hand, we felt like we were quite well prepared. Beforehand, we did nationwide next day delivery, we now do contactless nationwide next day delivery, and we also sanitise our hands and the keys before we get into any vehicle, just to ensure your safety and ours. We are a 5-star dealership. We have over 300 5-star reviews on Google, Auto Trader, and as well Car Gurus. And if you read the reviews, our customers really do illustrate the fact how good we are to buy for and how caring of a company we actually are. As you heard on this test drive, there's not been any unwanted knocks or bangs that you'd be looking out for and listening out for if you're driving this vehicle today. It is a very smooth running car, very smooth gearbox, and it is a very comfortable car to sit in, especially with the extended thigh support. You can easily do 2, 3, even 400 miles in this vehicle and still get out feeling fresh. I'm coming up to the industrial estate. I'm going to take a right, I'm going to if I want to emergency stop, just showing the brakes work as they should. And I'm also going to put it straight into reverse, just to show you that the rear sensors, well, front and rear sensors work as well. So hard on the brakes, straight into reverse. And as you can see on the screen, we've got the front and rear parking sensors. Straight back into drive, no issues whatsoever. If you haven't answered all of your questions in the test drive video and walk around video, please feel free to get in contact, where we can do a FaceTime video where you walk around the car, answering all your questions and maybe even showing bits that we may have missed. But that's it from me, so thank you very much for watching.